Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different types of beautiful paper home decoration ideas. It is very unique and beautiful ideas for yourself, and you can make easily at home different types of unique beautiful paper decoration. You will have for family, favorite for rocks, for kids, for animals, and etc. And it's very unique and beautiful ideas for yourself, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.